Hello students. Uh, in engineering mathematics, it will ellipse to all the branches like CSE, CISE, AML, DS, mechanical and civil. Let us to learn the evaluation of double integration. In this, the first question is integration limit is from 0 to 1, and second integration is limit is from x to root x, and the function is x square plus y square dy by dx. Solution, let us to observe. I is equal to integration is from 0 to 1, integration is from x to root x, x square plus y square dy dx. And please observe in this integral limits. So what are the integral limits? They have been given as a x variable, so that we have to take it as a y variable. Y limit it will be y limit, so that we need to do the integration first. Next step is, so this one you can keep it as it is constant. Now this is limits they have been given as a x variable. It indicates the y limits they have been given. This function we need to integrate with respect to dy. To do the integration of this one, variable x square keeping as it is, with respect to y we are doing, write down y as it is. This limit it will be x to root x, plus similarly the integration of y square it will be y cube divided by 3. This limit it will be x to root x. This entire thing it will be under still dx. This is equal to 0 to 1. This integration we have been done with respect to dy. So this limits we have to apply only for the y variables. So x square I am keeping as it is, y as it is. For this limits it will be x to root x, plus similarly 1 by 3 is constant, can keep outside. Y cube we are going to apply the limits x to root x, entire thing it will be under dx. Now this is equal to integration 0 to 1 as it is. This is x square, this upper limit come lower limit it will happen root x minus x. For the y we have to substitute upper limit come lower limit, plus 1 by 3 as it is. Here also upper limit come lower limit. In the place of y if we substitute, that is root x whole cube minus x cube. So this is everything, it will be under dx. Now this is equal to 0 to 1 as it is. Here root x is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 2, it will become x to the power of 5 by 2 minus x square into x, it will become x cube plus 1 by 3. This is 1 by 2 into 3. 1 by 2 into 3. So that it will become x to the power of 3 by 2 minus x cube dx. Now this is equal to integration is from 0 to 1, integration is from 0 to 1. So here put the bracket. Now this is x to the power of 5 by 2 minus x3 plus 1 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus into minus 1 by 3 x to the power of 3. This is dx. This is equal to, you can observe both are like terms. So here minus 1 minus 1 by 3. So this will be minus 4 by 3. So this is integration is from 0 to 1 x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2. Both the terms, if you add it, you will get 4 by 3 x to the power of 3. This is under dx. Now you can observe all the terms we have been simplified and everything we are getting as a pure x variable only. With respect to dx, we are going to do the integration now. In this step, you can observe this is integration x to the power of 5 by 2. It will become 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1. Next plus 1 by 3. This is x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 4 by 3 x to the power of 4 divided by 4. So for this entire thing limit it will be from 0 to 1. Now let us to apply the limits for this variables. If you apply limits, we will get, this is, you can observe 5 by 2 plus 1, this will become 7 by 2. So this is numerator x to the power of 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 plus 1 by 3 x to the power of this again 3 by 2 plus 1, it will become 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. So there 4 and 4 will get cancelled, minus 1 by 3 x to the power of 4. The limits it will be from 0 to 1. Now this is equal to this, it will become reciprocal 2 by 7 x to the power of 7 by 2 plus this is 1 by 3 into 2 by 5 reciprocal. If we take into the numerator, then x to the power of 5 by 2 minus 1 by 3 x to the power of 4. For entire thing limit is from 0 to 1, that is x limits. Now let us to operate the limits. This is 2 by 7 upper limit 1 to the power of 7 by 2, it will become 1 only, minus 0 upper limit come lower limit plus this is 2 ones are 2, 3 5s are 15. This will become upper limit come lower limit minus 1 by 3, this is upper limit come lower limit. Upper limit x to the power of 4 is here, 1 to the power of 4 is nothing but 1 only. So 1 minus 0. Now this will become now 2 by 7 multiply inside plus 2 by 7 into 0 means it will become 0. This it will become 2 by 15. Next this will become minus 1 by 3. So this, if you do the simplification by taking the LCM, you will get the answer as, that is I is equal to 3 by 35. 3 by 35. So this is the answer for the first question. Now let us to see the second question. Second question is that integration limit from 0 to 1, second limit integration from 0 to square root of 1 minus y square, function is x cube y dx dy or dy by dx, whatever may be they will give. So now in this, as I told you in the first problem, let I is equal to, this is 0 to 1 constant limit for one integration, and the second integration, please observe they are giving the limit is from 0 to square root of 1 minus y square. In this limit you can observe they are giving as a y variable in these limits. So y variable means it indicates indirectly the meaning is for this is x limits. This is the x limits, means this will become as a y limits. And the function is x cube y, this is, let me to write dx dy. You can observe here x limit they are giving, let me to write the first as a dx. So in this, within this box whatever I have been written the function and integration, that let me to do the integration first. So in this constant you can keep it as it is, that is 0 to 1 limit, that is y limit. I told you already how to find out x limits and y limit in the given integrals. Now this one, if you do the integration with respect to dx, please remember with respect to dx, where x is there, here x we have. So y as it is, no changes. X now it will become integration x to the power of 4 divided by 4. For this limit is from 0 to square root of 1 minus y square, this is dy. Now if you operate, if you substitute the limits for this, what will happen, let us to check it out. 1 by 4 can put outside constant, 0 to 1, 0 to 1 y it will be there as it is. For this y, next you can observe here in the place of x we have to substitute as a upper limit come lower limit. Lower limit it will be, sorry, upper limit it will be square root of 1 minus y square whole to the power of 4 minus 0 to the power of 4. This is dy. Now this is equal to 1 by 4, 0 to 1, y write down as it is. This is nothing but the power 1 by 2 into 4, 1s 2s, it means 1 minus y square whole square it will happen, this is dy. Now in this, now you can observe the entire function, it will be now y variables. With respect to dy we are going to do the integration. Earlier it was x variable that we have been done the integration and applied the limits also. Now to solve this one, 1 by 4 limit is from 0 to 1 y. For this you can apply the a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 time of ab, means it will become 2 y square dy. This is equal to 1 by 4 integration is from 0 to 1, y you multiply inside, now it will become y plus y to the power of 5 minus 2 time of y cube, this is dy. You can observe in this place there is no like terms here, add or subtract. Now you can do the integration directly, 1 by 4, so y integration it will be, this is, it will become y square divided by 2 plus y power 6 divided by 6 minus 2 y to the power of 4 divided by 4. The entire thing it will be under 0 to 1. Now you can apply the limits and you can solve, then you will get the answer. This is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 2 time of 1 square minus 0 square plus 1 by 6, 1 power 6 minus 0 square minus this is 2 ones are 2 twos are, means 1 by 2, 1 to the power of 4 minus 0 to the power of 4. This is the entire thing, it will be under 1 by 4. Now this is 1 by 4, this will become 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2. Here plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 you can cancel, 4 you multiply inside, so 6 4 is a 24. So now I is equal to 1 divided by 24 is our answer. Similarly, let us to see one more example. Limit is from 0 to 1. Second integral limit is from x to root x. This is xy dy dx. So this is the function they have been given. Let us to solve this one. I is equal to integration is from 0 to 1. Second integration is from x to root x. Function is xy, and here I told you already in the previous problems. So how to define this is this, which limits, x limits or y limit. So if they are giving the x variable, means it indicates y variable, that is y limits. This is x limits. If they will give here y means that time that is the x limit we have to consider. Xy is the function. If they are giving as a y limits, means this we are going to take it as a dy. Then let us to write the dx at the end. Now if we do the integration, this is 0 to 1. Next this one we are going to do the, this function we are going to do the integration with respect to dy. Dy means x it will be constant as it is, so y means it will become y square divided by 2. Limits it will be from x to root x dx. This is equal to 1 by 2, you can put outside, that is a constant. 0 to 1, x keeping as it is, y square it will be there. For y square, if you substitute upper limit come lower limit, this is root x whole square minus x square. This is dx. Now this is equal to 1 by 2, limits is from 0 to 1. This is x, this is x, this is 1 by 2 into 2 it will be there, means it will become as a x minus x square dx. Now x if you multiply inside, it will become x into x square minus x cube dx. This if you do the simple integration, then we will get the answer. Now you can observe, after the first integration, the y variable they have been given, y limit they have been given, that y limit we substituted purely. Now the function it became x variable. Now this if you do the integration, this will become x square means x cube divided by 3. Limit is from 0 to 1 minus x to the power of 4 divided by 4. Limit is from 0 to 1. Now apply the upper limit come lower limit, 1 by 3, this is 1 minus 0 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 0. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 3 is a 6 minus 2 4 is a 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 3 and 1 by 8. Now this you do the simple simplification, you will get answer is 1 divided by 24, you will get the answer. Just you can do the cross multiplication and do the simplification, you will get the answer. Thank you for watching our channel. For more problems, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.